love earlier that day with no strings attached. But I could tell that something had changed, how you looked at me then. Crystal, come right back. I've been waiting for you to slip back in bed when you lit the candle. And on the Lower East Side, you're dancing with me now. And I'm taking pictures of you with flowers on the wall. Think I like you best when you're dressed in black from head to toe. Think I like you best when you're just with me and no one else. Crystal, come right back. I've been waiting for you to slip back in bed when you light the candle. And I'm kissing you, lying in my room, holding you until you fall asleep. And it's just as good as I knew it would be. Stay with me. whispered something in your ear. It was a perverted thing to say, but I said it anyway. Made you smile and look away. Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. As long as you're with me, you'll be just fine. Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. Nothing's gonna take you from my side. When we dance in my living room, to the silly 90s R&B. When we have a drink of three, always ends in a hazy show scene. And nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. As long as you're with me, you'll be just fine. Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. Nothing's gonna take you from my side. To the microphone and say, with the sunglasses on, to a favorite song. And we're laughing in the microphone and singing, with the sunglasses on, to a favorite song. Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. Nothing's gonna take you from